been described as a promising new weapon to tackle COVID-19, a pill you can take at home that stops the virus in its tracks. The drug manufacturer is now in discussion with Australian authorities to roll it out here.
This is the first drug that we've got that could be dispensed from a pharmacy and taken at home for people that only have mild or moderate symptoms.
And in the near future, we may be able simply to pop a pill.
A great advance if we could have them, because things like the monoclonal antibodies need to be given by injection, and it'd be much easier if we could give them orally.
Australians will have access to a potentially life-saving pill that treats COVID. The Morrison government has secured 300,000 courses of the new antiviral drug Molnupiravir.
What it does is ensure that you do not develop a serious illness, so it means you can take it at home. You won't have to go to an ICU or go to hospital, so that takes pressure off the hospital system.
The UK has approved the use of a pill to treat COVID-19, which could be in use in Australia next year. The US-developed drug Molnupiravir has been shown to cut the risk of hospitalisation or death by about half.
A pill that can stop COVID in its tracks. It's been the goal of scientists since the pandemic began.
Well, the UK government has described this pill as a game changer, and Australia has ordered courses of the treatment as well. It's called Molnupiravir. It's produced by pharmaceutical giant Merck, and clinical trials have shown it can reduce the risk of hospitalisation or death in at-risk people.
The government is indicating that there could be an announcement soon around COVID-19 antiviral pills. We've been waiting patiently for the Therapeutic Goods Administration here in Australia to approve them as well.
Breaking news for you now. Australia's regulatory body, the TGA, has just provisionally approved Australia's first oral treatment for COVID-19.
2 oral pills, Pfizer's Paxlovid and Merck's Molnupiravir. Taken twice a day for 5 days, it's used to prevent hospitalisation and death amongst COVID-positive patients. They're targeted at the elderly and immunocompromised and not recommended for the young or pregnant.
Both medicines in the clinical trials were very effective in reducing death. I think that there will be a number of patients who will be very suitable for Molnupiravir and for whom they cannot take the Paxlovid because of the other drugs they're taking.
Jen, it's been described as game-changing.
Well, it's more weapons in the country's arsenal as we continue to fight through the COVID pandemic.
We are expecting the first of these courses to arrive within the coming weeks, and they will be made available through prescription by GPs or in a hospital circumstance. That's a really important addition, and I think a very important sign of hope and protection for the Australian public.